Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add pictures to text message. You need to begin by going into Messages app and selecting one of your chats. Now click on this little icon with a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Then click on your photos right away in order to add them. You can also click on Gallery section instead. Tap on your photo over here and select Add at the top right corner. You can even click on Gallery, then select Folders. Look for your photos in all of those sources. Hold the chosen one and tap on Select at the top right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my pictures were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!